Hi, my name is John Gizzi. Welcome back to the Machinist Corner, episode 3. Today we're making a fixture plate for the boring mills. This will provide a solid base for multiple pieces. We custom build these to make your parts exactly how you want them. As a bonus, we're going to show you these rails that we're making out of these solid aluminum blocks. This is the rough cut of the 7050 series aluminum. Now let's go see the finished part. We're machining these on our MAZAK vertical mill. Thanks for watching. For more information, check out our website and see you next time.